Well, I was born and raised here, but I went to school in Orlando. I went to Le Cordon Bleu, and then I traveled all over the Southeast cooking. What I fell in love with was barbecue because the people who were cooking it, the style of food, the flavor, it really reminded me of home, really. Same type of people, blue collar, hardworking people, and I felt like if I can bring this back home, I feel like people would really enjoy it as long as it's done right. If you're gonna do barbecue, there's no shortcuts. You can't just throw it on the grill. 5 minutes later, you have a product. You have to get whole cuts of meat. You gotta fabricate them. You gotta put a dry rub on it. Let that sit for about 3 days. Then you need to smoke it. That could take anywhere from 8 to 18 hours. And then you have to present it to your customers. It's something that takes a lot of time. We got some meat eaters up here. We fly through the ribs. We do a St. Louis style rib here. It's a long process to get it where it's at. We smoke it, then we wrap it. We put apple juice in there. We put our rub, our sauce, our American sweet, and then we finish it on the charbroiler. Brisket is extremely popular too. Brisket is a low, slow smoking process that takes about 18 hours, but the end result is juicy, really good meat. Then we have the smoked wings too. You know, you can't forget about those. And the smoked wings are something that are also a little bit different. We don't just smoke them, we make sure that we hit them in the fryer so they're nice and crispy, and then we toss them in our homemade sauces. You can't forget about the not so patty melt, which is kind of a hungry man's burger. You got 2 sourdough grilled cheese sandwiches, bacon, onions, our American sauce. When I think of barbecue, I think of the summer. We do a lot out back at the stockyard. It's not just American Grill, we offer the stockyard. How many places do you know of Northeast PA where you can go outside and you can get great barbecue, listen to live music, have a cold beer? The luxury of being in Northeast PA is I can infuse all the barbecues that I enjoy, Texas, Memphis, South Carolina, North Carolina, and I can offer Northeast PA a little bit of all that flavor. That's something that we do different, and really nobody else does up here.